How to use Evernote tags effectively for note categorization. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use Evernote tags effectively for note categorization. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to ensure that you have your Evernote account created and that you are logged in into your account. Once you're logged in, just like I have done here, just move to the left side of the screen and then click on tags. So to click on tags here, you would see all of your tags that you've created, and then you can also create a tag by clicking on the add new tag option at the top part of the screen. And then you have to ensure that you use a tag name involves keywords to notes. All right, make it notes easier to find and browse. So you could just make this clothes and then click on create, and then as you can see, it has been created. And then if you want to work more on this tag, just click on the three dots next to in the tags title, and then you can create a sub tag. You can rename the tag, can delete the tag, you can do whatever you want. And then you can also make this tag come below the other tags by moving it and placing it on a tags. As you can see, the tag is now under it. And then another way to use tags for note categorization is by clicking or selecting the notes that you want to add a tag to, or that you want to find using a tag, by clicking on the note and then move to the lower part of the screen where you can see the add tag option. Just click on it, and then once you click on it, the option tap to add will be made available. Ensure you type out the tag or use a title that to make this note, but this particular note, easy to find. So it could just be 34 or 32, and that's it. The tag has been added. So this is how we can use Evernote tags effectively for note categorization. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.